welcome back to the channel. My name is Richard and I'm Goons. I hope you guys enjoyed last week's episode. It was really fun to be a part of the last Saturday social of the year. Thank you again to Kaleem and Dirk for hosting such an awesome ride. I definitely had fun. Was sore for a couple days after my 2 falls, but we back, baby. Episode 2 coming at you guys following week. I'm gonna take you guys up Griffith. Let's get into it, guys. And as always, if you're down with the vibe, like and subscribe. Peace.
Trying to test out a few different mounts today. So right now I got you guys on the chest mount. The weather is way different today than it was last week during our rainy day Saturday social. And this is also why we pay a lot to live in California. It's a week away from Thanksgiving, not even a week, like a few days away. I got sun. We got sun. It's definitely spoiled here in California. Give you guys a little bit of a bike check, huh? We riding. 2004 Cannondale R400. Got an 11 to 34 cassette in the back. Big old massive chainring from Absolute Black. Full Ultegra group set. Stem from Simworks. Love that stem. Hunt 50s rim brake. Handlebar, all the markings are covered by my accessories, but handlebar is Ritchie Logic WCS Ergomax, I believe. Some Massey 3D printed saddles. Trying it out, see how it goes. It's been okay so far, actually. Thompson seat post and Lumiere saddle bag. If you guys want a good saddle bag, best bang for your buck, check out Lumiere. This is not a paid advertisement. I'm just telling y'all the best bang for your buck for the size and the quality. Check them out. Now, Chris King headset. This is one of the rare models of this generation that actually came with a 1 1/8 steer tube, which is fantastic because I wanted that. Actually came across this Facebook Marketplace, of course, but yeah, the guy just didn't know what he had, and I got a solid deal off the frame. I love this thing. Probably one of my best builds in terms of in the road bike category. I have a red CAD 5. This one's a CAD 4. I'm on 28 millimeter Grand Prix. It fits definitely in there. Clearance is tight, but it fits comfortably. The max I could probably run, honestly, which is fine. I'm good with 28s, even here in LA. But yeah, that's what we're riding, guys. So let's get back on the road. I had to take a layer off. It's actually warmer than I expected, which is a solid problem to have right now. Let's go. Well, I was having a good morning too. Yeah, definitely not as cold as I had thought, which is great. Well, let's also see how the temps are at Griffith, because it tends to drop a bit in the mountains for obvious reasons. Yeah, it's even right next to the mountain. Temperature dropped in the shade. Mildly regret taking off that other layer I had. See if the legs warm up before the climb. It's been a few weeks since I did this climb too. Curious to see where I'm at today. I'm not gonna try to go for PRs, at least not today. I PR'd the last ride I did. I'll still get my workout in today. Here we are. Travel town on the left. This is start of climb. Someone in the comment section, remind me to wash my gloves, please. Because every time I scratch my nose, I get a reminder. But I always forget when I get home. It reeks, y'all. You guys ever have that problem? It's actually kind of gross. This little peak right here. Ah, that tree used to be decorated with ornaments. It was up for a while. It sucks. Some Grinch did that. Section here, it's called the GP flats. This little speed section or recovery section for you. Definitely feeling a lack of climbing lately. I ain't even got it in me to sprint this right now. Maybe next time. This is why I can never let go of cycling. A guy on Instagram said, out of all the hobbies he's done, this is the one that's sticking for life, because mastery is not in the equation. I absolutely resonate with that. There's Micah on Instagram that posted that up. Go give him a follow. I'll put his handle up somewhere here. But he's got a fun thing to where he's trying to get 100,000 followers by Christmas. And he put that bet on with his wife. A little mud. So we, as a community of bros, gotta help him prove to his wife that he can quit his job and be an influencer. So give him a follow. content's pretty good already. Fun fact, if you haven't done Panda's Ponies, this is your preview. It's the same route Panda's Ponies goes through every Wednesday, 6 a.m. It's a tough time for a lot of people, but if you do make the time, definitely hit it up. Another great group ride in the Los Angeles area. Just don't go on a full gas edition unless you're really trying to see where your fitness level's at and you're trying to max that out. Then yeah, go on a full gas. First time I went was full gas and I absolutely died, but I still had a good time. So check it out, Panda's Ponies, 6 a.m. every Wednesday. I'll put a link to the people that you should follow to get more info about that ride. Not a link, but here are their handles. Morning. Coming up on Kathy's Corner. Actually a somewhat famous spot. Been on a few movies. Biggest standout movie that's been featured on is La La Land. Hollywood, right? Hollywood, boys and girls. I always stop here for a breather, especially if I don't have the legs. I freaking love this thing. Three Bastards coming up. Definitely gonna take a breather for that one. Let's go finish out this ride. This section. It's called the Three Bastards because the last section on the segment, and they peek out before the top. You come up here, don't ever touch that park bench. It's haunted. Trust me. You guys should recognize that section on the left. That's where we came up last time during Saturday Social. Let's get this descent, guys. Might look a little different today because we're on the roadie. Roads are still pretty bad from the rain last week. You know, chill. Maybe. We'll see. Oh, Dookie.
I don't think we'd ever lose ourselves. back and we divide and conquer. These feelings we're having need to take off while we're landing. I want you to understand. Maybe you could give me time to change your mind.
Let's walk it at chest level. Uppies. Start up there. Shoop. Fell right on top. That was fun. Made for a good video, right guys? I didn't break anything, so we're good. Usually the baseline for all falls.
Come on. We getting down with the sound of the old school vibe. Keep it alive with my tribe survive. Everybody know we gon' do it like this. Come on, everybody don't stop. Yeah, come on. Everybody feel it, come around with the rhythm. It's a sound, everybody get down when we give it to you. Everybody feel it, come around with the rhythm. It's a sound, everybody get down when we give it to you.
Really nice day. So usually this is where we turn on the left for the helipad or the blacktop. Nah, I ain't got it today. I ain't got it today. Well, let's go home. Butterfly Zoo on the left, Archery Museum on the right. I could catch a bike path at the stop sign coming up if I hook a right. But nah, we'll finish out all the Griffith today. See, that's how it should be. You wave at the cyclist, they wave back. Need to normalize that a little bit more. Oh, they ready for Christmas. I feel it though. I feel it. I get it.
Everybody say, yeah, 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 yeah.
Almost home, wrapping up this quick ride. Happy it was a nice day for me to take you guys out and show you my local loop. Hope you guys got your rides in this weekend too. Thanksgiving is coming up for us folks here in the States. So definitely a good time to keep your fitness up. All that food is gonna catch up to us real quick, especially with the holidays, multiple holidays. Enjoy your time with your family. And this upcoming break, I know I'll be enjoying my time with mine. And I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace.